Hello, I'm Julie Hughes, Extension Agent with MSU Extension in Choctaw County. Today's Back to Basics Life Skills 101 is cleaning the kitchen and bathroom. You're not the only one looking for food in your kitchen. Roaches, rodents, ants, and other pests look there too. Keep pests out of your home by not providing the three things they need to live: food, water, and a place to hide.
Get rid of clutter where bugs like to hide. Clean under and around toasters, appliances, and counters each time you use them. Leaving dirty dishes or water in the sink invites pests. Scrape dishes and throw scraps into the garbage so they won't get into the dishwasher or clog the sink drain. Wash and air dry dishes or put them in the dishwasher right after each meal. Wipe up crumbs and spills on countertops. Keep all food in tightly covered containers. Organize your kitchen drawers. Roll towels instead of folding them. This way the towels aren't stuffed into the drawer and it makes it easier to find the towel you're looking for. Clean cabinets and drawers occasionally to get rid of any food crumbs. Don't use adhesive contact paper to line shelves or drawers. Pests like to eat the adhesive and hide in the paper too. To clean the microwave, place a microwavable container with water in the microwave and boil for a few minutes. This will help loosen any food splatters and make them easier to clean. Wipe down the sides, top, and bottom. Be sure to clean the glass rotating tray with warm soapy water. Now we'll take a look at cleaning the bathroom. Declutter the counter and organize products in baskets or containers. Throw away any products that have expired or that are not being used. Clean out drawers and cabinets and organize them. Clean countertops, sink, and faucets. Wipe down toilet and clean toilet bowl with bleach or other cleaning product. Clean tub and shower with product made for the type of tub or shower that you have. Wash or replace shower curtain liner if it begins to look moldy. Mop floors at least weekly. Don't throw wet towels, bath cloths, and other clothing on the floor or leave it on the counter. Wet towels can easily mold and create an odor, so hang wet towels and bath cloths up to dry, then place them in a clothes hamper. Don't let dirty clothes pile up. Wash as soon as you have enough for a load.
Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to come back tomorrow morning for a video on cleaning gas and electric ovens. For more information, visit our website, extension.msstate.edu. Thank you.